What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to draw a Minion.EXE character. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw a large circle for the eye. We'll start right in the center at the very top. Just going to work our way down towards the bottom of our circle, towards the center. And we'll slowly bring that up towards the right. And it will close off the top. Let's trace that circle on the inside. Starting back at the top, we'll step down. Just leave an even spaced gap all the way around, coming in, and go all the way around the right side. Let's add the eye in the center. Start with a smaller circle, going all the way around. And we'll trace that circle on the inside. Now let's fill in the center, and then we'll fill that area around the outside. Now from here we're going to draw the straps along the side of the eye. Starting on the left side, we're going to step up, start with a straight line going out. Let's line this up on the right. And to come down, draw that same length line, just line this up along the outside. And we'll close this off with a straight line. Now you want to add in the strap. From the top left corner, step down, draw another straight line going out towards the side of the head. Come down to the bottom corner, step up, draw another line going out. And then we'll close off the ends with a straight line. Now from here we're going to draw on the top of the head in behind the strap. On the left side, we're going to step in, draw a large half circle. We go all the way up, so bend that in towards the middle, go all the way across, and then tuck that in on the right side. Let's add some hairs along the top of the head. Right in the center, step down, curve this up and out towards the right. Now we'll continue to add some hairs going out towards the right side, and then move over towards the left and curve in the opposite direction. Now we're going to move down and draw the top edge of the mouth. Over on the left side, just going to bend this down and in towards the center, just underneath the eye, and then pull that back up. Let's draw the bottom of the mouth. Starting back over on the left, come all the way down towards the bottom, and then bend that back up towards the right side. Now let's add some fangs along the top row. Starting in the center, angle down and out towards the left, and then back up. Go back to the center, come down towards the right, and then back up. And we'll continue to add the teeth over toward the left side. And we'll do the same thing on the right. Let's add the bottom row of teeth. Starting in the center, go up and then down. And we'll add a couple more on either side. Now from here we're going to pull the side of the head coming down towards the shoulders. Let's line up at the side of the head coming down underneath the strap. Draw a straight line coming down to right about there. And the same thing on the right, coming down towards the same height. Let's add in the shoulder straps. Starting back on the left, curve down and then in. Connect the inside with a straight line going across. Now I'm going to go back and add some detail to the head. Let's start by adding a scar on the left side. On the outside of the head, step in, curve this up, and then in, and just taper that back down towards the strap. Let's continue that scar underneath. We're going to take that outside curve, come down and in, and then taper that back up. Now I'm going to add some stitches across that scar. Start with a straight angle line going up along the bottom, and down on the top, and just add a couple more. And I'll add some blood dripping down from underneath the eye. Starting over on the left, draw a straight line coming down towards the mouth, step in, draw a straight line going up, Step in. We're just going to curve this down and then up towards the right. Bend that back down towards the mouth. Round this out and then go back up underneath the eye. Let's add some blood coming down from underneath the mouth. Starting back on the left, draw a straight line coming down. Round this out, pull that up. Round out the top, come down and then back up. And it'll bring the blood coming back down on top of the overalls. Step over, go up and down. Round this out, and then go back up underneath the mouth. Let's add a drip on the left side with a circle. Add one smaller one on the right side of the head. Now let's go back down and finish off the straps. From the bottom corner of the head, draw 2 straight angle lines coming down and out. Now I want to follow that same curve, going down and then in. Connect the top and bottom with a half circle. Let's add 2 small buttons along the bottom of the strap on either side. Now I'm going to line up with the side of the head, come down underneath the strap, and leave a gap, draw a straight line coming down, and then do the same thing on the right. Just round up the hips, and just pull that in towards the legs. Then from the bottom of the strap, we're going to step out, draw a straight line coming down, and draw a straight line going out towards the side. Let's add a pocket in the center. Start with a straight line going across, and we'll connect the ends with a half circle. Now I want to leave a gap along the bottom and draw a curve going down and then back up. And then leaving a gap in the center, we draw 2 lines. One coming down on the left, and then one on the right. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left heel, curve the foot coming down, and then up. And then from the outside on the left, curve the foot going up, bend that down, and curve that back up towards the inside of the leg. Now from the outside of the hip, we're going to step out, curve the leg coming down, and just bend that in on top of the feet. Now I'm going to add some more blood going across the overalls. Starting on the left, come down and up. Round this out, and pull that down towards the pocket. Step over and draw a straight line going up. Let's add some spots along the side. Start with a small circle. Add a larger circle on the inside. Add one more spot on the right. And now we're going to draw the arms along the side. From the top of the body, step down, curve the arm going out, and then down towards the wrist. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to start with a half circle for the thumb. Close this off with the bracket. Now you want to curl 2 fingers along the bottom. Starting underneath the thumb, come down and up around that bracket. Step down, come down, up, and just pull that in towards the outside of the wrist. Now going back to the left side, you're going to draw the outside of the glove going up, just bend that in, and then bend this in and then down toward the inside of the arm. Now you want to close the outside of the arm with a curve. From the top of the strap, step down, bend this out, and just tuck that in behind the glove. Let's finish off by adding some blood across the hands. Start from the outside, curve up and then down, add a small curve, bend that up toward the inside, add a small spot along the top. Let's do the same thing on the right, starting from the inside of the wrist, come in and down, bend that out, add one small spot on the top, And that's pretty much it. There's a drawing of Minion.EXE. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your requests in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.